What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm flipping the car today. This is my first time doing this, and yeah, I have 5 cars I'm looking at auction. Honda Fit, all the lights work, AC doesn't work. It still blows though. The blower works. No check engine light. It's not overheating. It shifts good, but the damage is rear light has to be replaced. Maybe the trunk, not too sure, but definitely the rear bumper. Other than that, this thing works. The tires feel brand new on all sides, no flat tire, and it comes with a battery. I say that because I'm gonna be showing you guys another one that doesn't have a battery. This one right here is a Honda Civic. I've been looking at this, and honestly, I think this is the best one that I found. This is from an insurance company. That one wasn't. Oh, that one is. These two are from an insurance company. All right, so here's the last 3 cars that I'm looking at. All right, this one right here is the RSX, and this is a TSX Acura. All right, this one's honestly is gonna be my favorite one due to it being a manual, y'all. A manual is just a life changer, but again, it needs airbags. Here's the manual. It goes and reverses just fine. E-brake, and it's not overheating. It's been on for quite a while now. The only damage I'm concerned about, everything else looks pretty solid. I actually didn't even test the sunroof. All the windows that I've shown in all these cars so far work. All right, so I believe this car just turned off on me. Yeah, this car just turned off on me. Dang. Well, it doesn't have a battery, so it says enough. I wasn't able to really tell much about it, but here's the damage. As you can see, back under there, looks like something's wrong with the suspension. I'm not 100% sure, but that's it right there. This Acura RSX is probably gonna be my favorite one. This one is not an insurance car. This one works fine. All the lights work. Everything seems to work just fine. Again, here's a 360 view. It's just a beautiful car. This is the only damage that's seen in the vehicle, but it looks like the tire itself didn't get bent, which is a good thing. As you can see right there, nice, beautiful interior. No airbags went off on this car. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an interior shot of me revving it. And it's been on for a while now, and it's not overheating. Revving it, nothing, y'all. Lastly, it's gonna be this car right here. This Toyota Corolla. This Toyota Corolla is perfect. It's nice. Oh, dang, I almost slipped. Be careful when you're here. And it's not overheating. And I can rev it. Nothing. Y'all, I'm not too sure about this car, y'all. It does come with a front bumper here inside the car. I'm not 100% set on this car. I'm probably gonna avoid this one. The safest one is gonna be the Honda Civic right there, all right? I really wanted to try this Acura TSX because due to it being a manual, the mileage is really low. Why not get it, y'all? You know, so I know recording my phone, but that's the best that I can do right now, all right? So I'll come back to y'all when I finally make my decision. Here it is, the R6 that I have purchased is right here. All 4 tires seem to have nice, good air on them. And that's pretty much it. And I got quoted $600 to fix this right there. $600, a brand new RSX. Here it is, y'all. I'm about to get inside. All right, as you can see, I finally have the RSX in hand. Even though, yes, it's an automatic, but hey, 116,000 miles. With minimal body damage. You cannot get a better price for $2,600. I am very proud of this buy. It's missing a display here, but that should be fine. But this thing is just flawless, y'all. It is beautiful. I can't wait to show y'all more. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the body shop right away because I already set it up with the guy that I know. And yeah, it should be ready within like a week or week and a half, however how long he needs to get it done. we should be good, y'all. So thank you guys. Let me go ahead and just stop here and let me show you once I get there. All right, so I got the title in the mail. I did get it as a salvage title car. It is now time to make it a rebuilt title. I'm on the way to drop it off to the mail, and then yeah, then I'll get back with y'all.
You gonna make me act up. You gonna make me do something.
I'm finally ready to sell this thing, all right? But yeah, I'll see you guys home so I can give you guys a clean walkthrough after it's clean. All right, y'all, so this is the car. It is finally finished. The dream car is finally finished. I do want to keep it, but I am not taking that for a car like this. All right, I know automatics are not that bad. This myself that I painted, it is an automatic, but I mean, this is an RSX. I would want a manual RSX, not an automatic RSX. Okay, so yeah, everything is done. The body work compared to before, I think I took a picture like that. I mean, look at the before and after. It's crazy, y'all. Like, this guy did his thing. So anyways, the next step would be selling it. So I see you guys as soon as we get to selling. All right guys, I am 1 hour away from selling the RSX for $6,500. I wanted $7K, but I need to get the ball rolling on another car because I need to give y'all more content. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up the car, put a little air freshener to make sure to secure the bag so the guy buys the car. All right, so anyways, let's go. So this is the final walkthrough, y'all. I don't know what else to say, y'all. Just enjoy the moment with me. This is it. This is it. So the car is being sold within 10 minutes from now. I am mad excited. The car is washed, vacuumed, air freshener inside with the title. Guys, I don't know what else to say other than I need to wait to make sure I secure the bag. So anyways, here's the walkthrough. That is it. Alright, y'all, so I just sold the car for $6,500 freaking mother flipping dollars. Alright, so I wanted $7,500, but $65, I'll take it all day. And yeah, I'm gonna be continuing to flip cars. I got that one on the way. You guys will see that next video. Please stay tuned. You guys are gonna get a lot more videos. Alright, I'm sorry for this dead channel. I'm bringing it back, y'all. I am officially back. I'm not going nowhere. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and if you want to learn how to do it step-by-step, just please let me know down in the comments down below. Anyways, see you guys next time. Peace.